Hello everyone, today I am at an automotive car event where manufacturers bring down all their cars for people like us to test drive, and today I'll be testing out the new 2021 Jeep Wrangler 80th anniversary. So let's do a quick walk around this car and look how crazy it is. Look how big this front bumper is and how much it sticks out. Crazy big wheels. Actually, let's have a look how wide these tyres are. 255 over 70, 18-inch alloy wheels. But the side profile of this car, it looks crazy in army green as well. It does suit it. Coming around the back end, you've got this tyre on the back, classic Jeep, LED tail lights, crazy rear bumper as well. Let's have a look at the boot. Is it a subwoofer in the back there? Not a lot of space in the back, but we can forgive it because it's so jacked up. Side steps. How mental is this car? Little aerial as well, no shark fin on the side there. Oh my God, I think I'm in love. I love this Jeep Wrangler. So jumping over to the interior of the car, let's have a look. Leather seats. Oh, let's have a look at this. Actually, this is not good. What is this strap for here? What on earth is that? Anyway, we can forgive it because riding position is so high. Listen to that clunk. Listen. Oh, sounds magnificent. It is also very rugged inside. You've got this little handle on the side here. Infotainment system, which is quite a big screen, bizarrely, and a lot of stuff that you could get on there. Backup camera on this car is fantastic and super clear as well. Loads of buttons and controls, which is fantastic and very good. We need that. Some off-road stuff that I don't know about. And look on the gear lever, it's got a little Jeep on there. Funny is that. I am not too sure if this car has a sunshade cover. Let's have a look. Turn the car on. Oh no, it's got a sunroof. What on earth is this car? What on earth is this car? Oh, the way it goes all the way back. Check that out. It's still going. It's still going, guys. Still going. All the way to the back. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. And you could, even the rear passengers could stick their head out the sunroof. All the window switches are in the center as well. In the center console. Proper handbrake. No electronic BS. Oh, massive cubby spaces. Loads of storage in this car, which is good. And engine start stop button, analog dials, revs up to 6,000 RPM. A lot of power in this car, which we'll later discuss. Anyway, let's check out the rear seats, as that is pretty important. Yeah, tons of space. Jesus, you could probably have a party in here. Also in the rear seats, you get these handles on the side here, just in case you do go off-roading with 4 passengers or 5 passengers in the car and they need to hold on to something. This car's fantastic. Let's just go for a drive. Blimey, this car is mental. Sunroof open, or no, let's close it because we're gonna go on a little hoon, aren't we? So let's shut that. Takes a while because it's a big sunroof, guys. Let's not forget that. Let's go on to off-road pages and see what we can get up on the off-road data that this car has. I cannot wait to take this car for a spin. It does have a lot of power. 268 brake horsepower, 292 pounds-foot of torque, I believe, and a pretty rather fast 0 to 60 time, believe it or not. Now the reversing camera as well, look how clear and crisp that is. 10-degree pitch down, that was nothing for the Jeep Wrangler. Let's go for a little spin on this. Let's see what it's capable of. Ah, there's nowhere to put my left foot. That's annoying. Now what are these for? Pedals, okay. No, that's weird. Let's put it into manual mode. That's not the gears, is it? That's 2, 1. Okay. I have no idea what these buttons are for the the volume? No, I have no idea. It is the volume. Okay, let's turn the volume off because we don't want that on. Look how crazy this is. Look how rugged it is. And it's brutal. If you look at this in your rear view mirror, you're moving out the way. I love the fact that every time you turn the steering wheel as well, it just goes straight. Look at this. Look, it's just going straight. It's very delayed and it's hilarious, but it's so much fun. I love this car. In fact, I want one, but it's £50,000, guys. It's not cheap at all. Right, let's go into manual gears. The kick down is hilarious. All right, guys, let's go right. Right, foot down. Whoa. What on earth? What is this? What is this? The trigger as well, it's red. because it's so brutal. That's quick. That is so quick. Whoa. Oh my God, the back end is so lively as well. Whoa. This should not be. How is this legal? How is this legal? It doesn't feel that big. Visibility though, it's fantastic because it's got that box shape to it. You can see everything. So if you're close to something, you know you're close to it. Ready? Right guys, gonna put my foot down. Whoa! What on earth? What the hell? Let's turn around here. It could handle anything. Look at that. A hatchback would struggle over those bumps. Let's go into reverse. There we go. Oh, visibility is so good. Now it's actually pretty funny how you open the hood in this car because there's 2 latches and then a key. How Jeep is that? It's got all your normal mod cons as well, lane keep assist, blah blah blah, cruise control, voice activation. What's the horn like? That's funny. Now there is a bit of lag. But who on earth cares? Who on earth cares? I can't believe how fast this car is. This should not be this fast. Alright guys, we'll calm it down a little bit. Right, let's turn right here actually. Brakes are good. Brakes are really good. Right, let's do a pull. Wow. Wow. I am extremely impressed of the capabilities of this Jeep. Just on normal public roads, I cannot imagine what it's like off-road. Oh, it's got parking sensors front and back. Now it's got a good job that there's parking sensors in front because that plastic piece does reach out a lot and you don't notice it until you probably hit something. Right, another one, another pull. Wow, what on earth? If you have the cash and you drive off-road, you need to get this. Everyone needs to experience this car because it's something different. It is so different. And it's got LED lights, so at night you could do whatever you want. It is your budget G-Wagon, but it ain't no budget. Really good, really good, a lot of fun. Tiny wipers because the windscreen is so upright. So many storage compartments here as well. A net down here. Actually, the net down here isn't that good. Storage down here, massive storage compartment in the center console area here. Oh, there's a little Jeep as well on the windscreen here. Bet you didn't notice that. Anyway, guys, that's all I have. Thank you for watching. Hope you did enjoy. Make sure to like and do all the good stuff, and I'll catch you in my next video. Peace out.